Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be looking at a smokeless fire pit that the folks from BondStove sent us to check out, and it also came with a grilling pack. Now, this stove here is a Kickstarter initiative, and I believe that the basic price is $249, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put this together. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to fire it up, and we're going to see what the grill pack looks like. Since we're being a barbecue channel, they sent us the grill pack to test out as well. So let's go ahead and break into these boxes. Let's see what they sent us, and let's go ahead and put this bad boy together. All right. Let's go ahead and open the main box first. Seems to be very well packed. I love the ropes as the carrying handle. That's pretty cool. All right, so this is a storage case for the Bond stove. So that's cool. It comes with a storage case. That's really nice. All right, we'll look at that later. This is a can of fire starters. These are those ring fire starters, and so it'd be nice to see how those work out. And it's got another case. It's a rain case to keep it, when it's not in use, cover it up so that the weather won't ruin it. Here's one of the lids, the main lid. Oh, they also sent us the mobile pack. So the mobile pack, there's 4 different packs. There's a grill pack, there's a mobile pack, there's a warming pack, and there's another one. This pack here comes with these wheels, so you can wheel and move the fire pit around. That's pretty cool there. So it even has locking wheels. So once you get it where you want it, you can lock them down. So now that's pretty nice. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, comes with a fire poker. Here is a grill grate, cast iron look like, okay. And this is one of the pans that go down in the bottom of the fire pit. I'm not sure if this is the ash catcher or the heat deflector, but we'll see once we put it together. We still pulling stuff out of here. All right, so this looks like an ash pan to catch the ashes in order to make cleanup easy. That's pretty nice. Wow. It's another box. Okay, these are the original feet that go on the Bond stove. So I can put these on to make it stationary, or I can put the wheels on to make it mobile. I think we're gonna go with the wheels to make it mobile. That way I can be easy to move it around. Let's get all the rest of this excess cardboard out of here. So this is a nice size stove. I didn't think it was going to be this big. It's got the nice Warmbond emblem on the front of it. That's pretty nice. As you can see, it's got the holes like most smokeless fire pits have to try to alleviate the smoke. It's like 2-layered inside of here, so I'm interested in seeing how that works out. All right, so let's go ahead and get this assembly together. All right, so let's see what's in the grill pack that they sent. Oh, that's pretty nice. So we got a little tool kit here. Look at this. With spatula and tongs and shish kebab. That's nice. That's all right. Okay, and then it comes with a lid to go up on here. That's nice. It comes with a handle that you got to put on top there. And it comes with a thermometer gauge. Thermometer gauge that goes on the lid, I'm assuming. So, now the only thing that's missing that I saw on the website is that there's also a glass ring that they have that will elevate this a little bit higher, but only about 2 or 3 inches. So it'll be interesting in seeing how we can do some direct cooking over wood fire. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that on the first cook because we just have that store-bought wood and I'm not quite sure what kind of wood it is. So until I can get some mesquite or hickory or something that I know we can barbecue with, I probably won't cook with it today. But we will fire it up, okay? So we'll go ahead and get this finished up. We'll give you a nice pan-around view of it. And then as soon as the temperature goes down this afternoon, we'll fire the fire pit up this evening and we'll watch it glow. As you can see from my shirt, man, it's about 90 degrees out here. So let's go ahead and finish this up and we'll wait for the sun to start going down. All right, guys, so as you can see, man, we got the BondStove fired up, man. You see the flames are raising. We took the rim off the top of it to give it more air, more space and stuff. And once the fire got started, man, it's really blazing away. I mean, I'm sitting right next to it and it is putting out some heat. So this thing really does a good job and it's not a whole lot of smoke, even though our wood was probably wasn't as dry as it should have been. So, but once it got started, man, it is really blazing now. So a couple of things. Like I said before, I'm not going to cook over this wood because I'm not sure what type of wood it is that I purchased from the grocery store. I'm waiting till I get some apple or some mesquite or some hickory or something that I know is grilling type wood in order to cook over. So that'll be in the next video, okay? With the wheels, and locking in place. It's easy to move around. It's easy to set it wherever you need to set it. It came with a carrying case and a cover. Okay, so once it cools down, you can put this in a carrying case and take it to the park with you, take it to somebody's house or what have you. You just have to wait for it to cool down before you can transport it again. Okay, like I said, there are 4 different additional packages that you can get: the mobility package, the grilling package, the warming package, and then there's one other. I'll put that one on the screen up here as well. All right, so like I said, it's a Kickstarter, so if you want to jump in and back the Kickstarter, it's like $249 for the basic setup, and then each additional setup comes with more accessories, and this is a little bit more expensive. Okay, but check them out. I'll put the link down in the bottom of the description block. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to send them my way. All right. I want to thank the folks at BondStove for sending us this. This is going to be really, really nice at night, even in the summer times, to give you that ambiance, or roast some marshmallows, or even throw a few hot dogs or whatever over the fire and get your grub on. Okay, so and that's about it, guys. So I think we're going to enjoy this. And so, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there, or a smokeless bond stove warming up your afternoons. Hey, as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker.